Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at how we can automate the appeal and grievances via ServiceNow using their AI components like document intelligence and Now Assist skill. What you are seeing on the screen is a form for appeal and grievance requests that the insurance companies ask their patients or members to submit when they have an appeal or grievance situation. On the top, what you see here is the information about the member, their name, member ID, group number, the claim number that they are not happy about or appealing, like denied service not yet received. And then if you scroll down, you have what action are you disputing, to explain why you're disputing, and are you attaching any medical records or supporting documentation. And then the next page on this document is really to expedite the appeal if you want to. And this is where you have the provider information, the patient information, what service denies the patient appealing, and then why it requires expedited review. So what we have done is in ServiceNow, we have built an app called AI-powered Healthcare Appeals and Grievances Management. What it does is it can automatically ingest the appeal or the grievance request form and automatically extracts the value from the documents that are submitted. And then based on a predefined criteria, the decision can be made whether the document is complete or incomplete, or it can be approved based on the criteria, or should be rejected. If it's incomplete, it goes into a different queue. If it's approved, it goes in a different state. And then based on that, you can trigger different flows, right, based on what your organization's processes are. So what you are seeing here is our ServiceNow instance. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the appeals table here and show all kind of test records that we have used earlier, but I'm going to create a new record to take the form that I just showed you. Now, as part of phase one, we haven't integrated this with eFax or WriteFax or email channels, but we can because we have done that with our previous products. For now, we are going to manually take the document here and attach it. So here's my document. We're going to take expedited approved use case, upload this document here, close it, and then submit. You see a new record was just created, case number ending in 1154. So what will happen is that now, once we submit this, I'm going to refresh the screen as it works behind the scene, the AI components, the document intelligence and analysis, and you will see the data starts getting popular. Here it is. So you see how it was able to read all of the data from the form and was able to extract, and also really, was able to identify that's an expedited appeal. The state was set to approved, and it has all of the fields populated. Now, what you also see on the screen is a knowledge article reference. So if I click on this, you will see that we have created a knowledge article for expedited type appeals, which is what we just saw. And here is, we have in a very simple English language, we have, mentioned what the criterias are to approve or reject that expedited appeal, right? One of the criteria that we are using is that should not be more than 2 years since the date of service. And the other one is that justification for dispute and dispute item field is empty, then it should be rejected, right? So based on this, we have made a decision that the appeal form has all that was needed to approve. So this is what you see, right? So you see how it was just in a few seconds, we were able to take the document, ingest it, extract the value, and then apply the criteria to say it should be approved. What I can quickly go and share in the backend is, the document intelligence piece. Now, this is just, I'm showing you what happened in the backend, 1154 case, and here, and show in doc intel. So where you can see the document really on the left side that I uploaded here, and then the data extraction on the right side. Very simple. Let's see how the app works when we upload a handwritten appeal request form. What you see on the screen is a completely handwritten form. I'm going to take this and go to Appeals app and then create a new record, attach the document, and submit. New record was created, 4539. Wait for a few seconds. Let's see how it does. Refreshing the screen. Here you go. The record has been processed. All the information has been extracted successfully and was able to detect that the appeal was expedited and the status was updated to approved. And the last thing I wanted to show you is the dashboard that we have also created so that we know where are all these appeals and grievances. So we have created a dashboard called AI-powered Appeals and Grievances, and so you see how we are tracking all of the received appeals, the grievances, what state they are in, and the different type of appeal. You can just click on these and drill down from here. You can see all of those 15 records, go back to the dashboard, and you can really go into any of the data in list view, what you want to see.